Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a tool that supports password-based encryption. 7-zip on Windows or zip with E on Linux are common choices. Once chosen, put the files you want to protect into one folder so you don't miss anything. You must pick a strong password now, long and unique, and record it safely offline. Open the program or terminal at the folder location and get ready to run the command or set the options. This immediate setup is what prevents mistakes later. Now you actually create the encrypted zip. If you use 7-zip, run a command like 7z a tzip p your password mem equals AES 256 archive. Zip folder \**. On Linux or Mac OS, run zip e archive. Zip folder /* and you'll be prompted for a password. That uses legacy encryption, so prefer AES where available. Once the archive finishes, make sure the program reported success and that the file size looks correct. Try listing or finish by testing extraction. Open the zip in a separate folder and enter your password to confirm all files are present. If something goes wrong, first double-check the password and caps lock. Next, confirm the encryption method. Older unzip tools may not support AES. If compatibility is an issue, recreate the archive with a more compatible setting or provide recipients with the recommended tool. Once satisfied, securely store or share the archive and never send the password in the same channel as the file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.